How to check your hard disk space. This WikiHow teaches you how to see how much storage space remains on your computer or smartphone. This process is different than checking memory usage, which typically refers to a computer's RAM, random access memory, on Windows. Open Start. Click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. You can also press Win to open Start. Open Settings. Click the gear-shaped icon in the lower left side of the Start menu. Click System. It's a computer-shaped icon on the Settings page. If Settings opens to a page other than the main Settings page, click the Back button in the top left corner of the window until the Back button disappears. Click the Storage tab. This option is in the upper left side of the display page. Review your hard drive's space usage. Below the Local Storage heading at the top of the page, you'll see an image of your hard drive with Number Used and a Number Free categories below it. The Number Used section tells you how much of your computer's hard drive is being used, while the Number Free section tells you how much free space remains. Open your hard disk. Click the hard disk icon below the Local Storage heading. This will open a comprehensive list that shows you how much space specific file types, programs, and so on are taking up, which will help you target areas for cleanup if you want to free up some hard drive space.